Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a 1950s Bob Updo. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm doing a $50 giveaway and I'm going to let you know how you can enter. Now for the hair tutorial. Part your hair a little off to the side and take a small piece in the front. You can add some of this Avita gel if you want to make it curl better. Then just take a large curling iron and curl it. Now I'm going to roll the curl up and just clip it out of the way to be able to hold the curl better. Take another piece right close to your forehead and then just curl that one and roll that one up as well and clip it. Now you're going to part your hair exactly in half and take the upper part and the upper section and get that out of the way. Now take the bottom half and part it into two pieces. We're going to make two buns flat against our head. To make it flat, you're going to just pin each time you turn it around. And I'm using by Frenchie's bobby pins because they don't slip out. Doing the same thing on the other side. These bobby pins are amazing because they are fuzzy. That's what makes them non-slip. Just pinning that all the way. And now I'm going to deal with the top part. I'm going to take one part of the hair on one side and kind of twist it away from my face. And then just pin it upwards with a bobby pin. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making mock curls. How you do that is you just take a little part of your hair and twist it around your finger and pin it. Keep doing that until you reach the end of your hair. Now I'm going to take the middle section, leaving one side free so I can deal with that on the side of my head, and do the same thing. You just take two fingers, twist it around your fingers, and pin until you reach the end of your hair. Just make sure all of it is pinned well. Now on the other side, do the same thing. Take your hair and twist it around your finger, and then pin upwards into the twist so it stays well. This twist will give your hair an even more 1950s vibe. I'm going to pin at the top as well just to make sure it stays secure. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the length of my hair. Take it, turn it around my fingers, and pin to make mock curls. And you are done. Now we're going to deal with the front part. I wasn't very happy with my curl, so I'm going to make it a little bit more curled in the front. This is going to just give it a super vintage vibe. Just push it up and make sure that you pin it well to your head and spray it well, making that really Marilyn Monroe vibe bend at the top of your hair. Then just take the length of it and make mock curls again. Make sure you cover up the bobby pins on the side of your curl. And that's it. Then you just hairspray it and curl the front pieces and you're all done. Add some really beautiful vintage earrings and you will totally look like you walked out of the 1950s. Now for the giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red subscribe button and comment down below what your favorite decade was. And you will be able to enter the giveaway. Also, just leave your Instagram handle. This giveaway is also international. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.